Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Metamask on Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open your Google Chrome web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in chromewebstore.google.com and press enter on your keyboard. From your Chrome Web Store homepage, go ahead and click on the search box at the top right and type in Metamask. Look for the Metamask application from the list and click on it. Click on Add to Chrome right next to Metamask and in the pop-up, click on Add Extension. You will then be able to download the Metamask extension on Google Chrome web browser. Once the download is finished, you can then go to the extension button at the top right and pin the Metamask extension in your taskbar, and you have successfully downloaded Metamask on your Google Chrome web browser. Agree to the terms and conditions and then create a new wallet for Metamask or import an existing wallet. So that is how you can easily install Metamask on Google Chrome. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.